Good morning, this is Sue, and this morning my daughter has asked me to take a bag that I made for her a while back and sew the handles back on because she's been using it as a book bag to go to the library, and she's been carrying heavy books and movies and stuff like that in it, and the handles are coming off. So I'm going to have to reinforce these handles because I didn't realize that she was using it to carry heavy books and things. And so I'm going to show you how to put on handles with a box like this, a box. It's got a little box with an X in it. That should reinforce that real good. So I've already done one, and I've got 3 left to do. But I'm not gonna have you watch me do all 3 of them. You do one, you know how to do it. So normally I would put the handles on before I ever sewed everything else together. But today I'm doing a repair job, so I'm putting the handles on afterwards. So I will show you how I do this. There may be other ways, but this is my sewing machine acting up on me. Okay. Now I will move you over here so that you can see what it is I am doing. There. All right. Now then, I'm going to start here at the top, and I'm going to set the needle right on that seam line right there. There we go. Now my sewing machine, it's disappeared here. Well, let's hope that it is alright, because I can't find the, here it is. Okay. My sewing machine, I have to hold the top and the bottom thread for the first couple of stitches. Otherwise it just, see, it just doesn't want to do it. Okay, so I'm going to take this pin out because I don't need that anymore. And my pin cushion is back here. Alright, so I'm going to go straight across to this next seam. Set the needle, pick it up, turn it. We'll go down here to this corner. Set it right there in that existing seam. Okay, come back around and we will have finished our box. Try to match that up exactly right there. Turn it, and we're going to go from, hope you can see, we're going to go from this corner to this corner. and come across. Right there. No, it's going too far. Right there. Pick it up, pivot it, and now we're going to go from this corner to this corner. And backstitch it just to reinforce it. And now, turn this around. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing now. This thing doesn't want to readjust. Okay. I'm going to clip these threads off of here. And there we have the little box. So we started here, went across, down, across, up, down here, across, and then back up. It's easy to do, doesn't take a lot of time, and it really reinforces the handles. So, I hope that you've enjoyed this short tutorial, and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.